Hello guys, welcome to AI Mentorship Program organized by Tech Genius Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching us how to merge our short clips, the ones we generated from View 3 together to give us a single movie. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Chrome, type on Canva. When you do that, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then you go for Create. You click on Create. What are we trying to create? We are trying to create a video. What kind of video are we trying to create? We're trying to create a landscape video. So you click on landscape. So it's going to bring you to a face like this. Okay. So what's the next thing to do? We want to upload the short clips we generated from View 3 into our Canva. So you go to upload, then you go to videos, upload files. Definitely, you must have stored it somewhere. So this is one of the ones we generated. So we have this and this. You click on it, then open it. So after uploading it, the next thing to do is to click on it scene by scene. So once you do that, so you right click, then you set video as background so that it can fill the whole screen. Then you click on add page. You had a second scene there.
One day.
You left click, video as background. Okay, so when you have the scenes, you continue depending on how many scenes you generated. So you continue pasting them following the same process. So at the end, you can decide to put transition in between yours, and you can decide to leave it alone. For me, if I'm to put a transition, I prefer to put match and move. Okay, so after doing that, you go to where you have your share. Okay, and you see your download here. Then you bring it to the lowest quality, not really lowest quality, but just it saves space. Okay, then you download it. You wait for it to download. Just right here. Once you've downloaded it, it's going to be saved in your downloaded documents. Okay, and after doing that, that's just basically all you have to do. That's basically all you have to do to merge. That's all about using Canva to merge your videos together. If you have any question, please feel free to ask.